Yokohama, a city of captivating contrasts, seamlessly blends a rich maritime history with a vibrant, futuristic skyline. Just a short journey from Tokyo, it offers a distinct urban experience, inviting visitors to explore its diverse neighborhoods and unique cultural tapestry. Its story began as one of Japan's first ports opened to foreign trade in the mid-19th century. This pivotal moment transformed a quiet fishing village into a bustling international hub, leaving an indelible mark on its architecture, cuisine, and cosmopolitan spirit. The iconic Minato Mirai 21 district stands as a testament to Yokohama's modern vision. Skyscrapers like the landmark tower pierce the sky, surrounded by shopping malls, convention centers, and the picturesque bay, creating a dynamic waterfront spectacle, especially at night. Step into the vibrant heart of Yokohama Chinatown, one of the largest in the world. Its ornate gates, bustling streets, and aromatic food stalls transport you to a different realm, offering an endless array of delicious dim sum, noodles, and traditional Chinese delicacies. For a serene escape, Sankei-en Garden provides a tranquil oasis. This expansive traditional Japanese garden features historic buildings relocated from across Japan, meticulously arranged amidst ponds, streams, and seasonal flora, offering a glimpse into classical Japanese aesthetics. The Yokohama Red Brick Warehouse, or Akarangasoko, harks back to the city's port heritage. Once customs buildings, these beautifully restored structures now house an array of unique shops, restaurants, and host various events, providing a charming blend of history and contemporary culture. Families and food enthusiasts alike will enjoy the interactive CupNoodles Museum, where you can learn about the history of instant ramen and even create your own custom cup of noodles, a fun and engaging experience for all ages. Adjacent to Minato Mirai, Cosmo World amusement park offers thrilling rides and entertainment, dominated by its giant Ferris wheel, Cosmo Clock 21, which provides breathtaking panoramic views of the city and Tokyo Bay. Beyond its famous Chinatown, Yokohama boasts a diverse culinary landscape. From fresh seafood at its portside markets to local craft beer breweries and sophisticated dining experiences, the city caters to every palate. Yokohama truly offers a multifaceted journey, from its historical roots as an international gateway to its cutting-edge urban developments and serene traditional gardens. It's a city that continues to evolve, inviting exploration and promising unforgettable memories.